Hi, I'm Russell Porter. I'm with the Spartanburg City's downtown bike unit. During my course of duty today, we ride around, make business contacts, just talk to people in the streets, checking, in the areas around the downtown area here. Any issues or problems, try to address those. Downtown is outside, coming from inside, being an investigator. Working around outside is great. It's fun. A lot of exercise, obviously.